Hello friends, welcome to another video. Today we will discuss about the main points of the book The Namesake. The Namesake is a novel written by American author Jhumpa Lahiri. It was originally published in 2003 in New York and was later expanded to a full-length novel. The theme of the novel is that, as the title suggests, the namesake tackles the question of forming one's own identity and explores the power that a name can carry. Gogol's decision to change his name to Nikhil before leaving home for college demonstrates his desire to take control over his own identity. Now we will discuss about the meaning of the novel. The meaning of the novel Namesake is that it means changing name. The narrator distinguishes in Bengali between one's pet name and good name. The first is for everyday family use and never appears on official documents. The second name is good name, which is used for precisely those documents and for recognitions in the world outside the family. In the novel, the main character Gogol changes his name for Gogol to Nikhil. Now we will discuss about the two main points of this novel. The first is the universality of foreignness. At first, it appears that The Namesake is a novel that is in Bengali American experience. Ashima and Ashok in this novel feel out of place when they move to Cambridge, and Ashima feels again out of place when the family relocates to the suburbs of Boston. But by the end of the novel, it becomes clear that Lahiri's point is much larger. It is not that Bengalis experience a feeling of outsiderness when they come to America. Moushumi longs for a foreign life that does not ultimately include Gogol. Now the second point is that the formation of identity. As title indicates, The Namesake is a novel of identities. Gogol grows up perplexed by his pet name. He feels it is not his own, and it is not until college, after he has legally changed his name from Gogol to Nikhil, that his father tells him the story that lies behind it. Gogol realizes that it is one thing to change one's name officially, but another thing to become a different person. Lahiri brings back a number of earlier events, causing the story to end as it began. But this is not to say that the characters in The Namesake have not changed. This novel is a means of illustrating the change and return that characterize all the human life. The narrator carefully balances the good and bad, the happy and unhappy, the lost and still present. In my opinion, this is the best novel because it best picturizes the idea of different cultures and the formation of our own identity. That's all in this video. Subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon if you want to see these type of videos related to books, because books gives us knowledge and makes us more perfect. So keep watching.